Money transfer apps let you transfer cash from person to person, or from entity to entity, quickly, conveniently, cheaply, and securely. They simplify payments and also allow you to use a digital wallet to link your credit card or bank account. You can make electronic transactions and payments with just a few taps on a mobile device. With several money transfer apps that are now outside like PayPal, Zelle, Venmo, Cash App, and many others are very useful in quick online transactions. Zelle is a fantastic and incredibly distinctive money transfer software with the unique ability to send money quickly and for free between banks. For instance, you can use Zelle to transmit money for free since bank transfers typically carry fees if you have cash in your JP Morgan account and want to move it to your Wells Fargo account. Well, the question some people should be asking themselves now should be that, does Zelle accept prepaid cards? We be telling you some important thing about that in this video today. We will be back after the short intro. Zelle will not accept the vast majority of prepaid cards, so the answer to this question is no. Only cards issued by banks in the Zelle network, such as the Chase Liquid Card or the PNC Smart Access Card, are supported by the platform. Because of this, the majority of users won't be able to send or receive money using their Zelle prepaid card. The card used is not eligible, according to the error notice we get while adding a prepaid debit card. The application will not accept green dot cards because they are also prepaid debit cards. As a result, whenever we attempt to add it to the program, we constantly encounter a problem. But another question now comes up being, what prepaid cards does Zelle accept? Generally, Zelle does not work with prepaid cards, but however, Zelle supports some prepaid cards. Zelle only accepts prepaid cards from a few of the Zelle network banks. The Zelle network banks are traditional brick-and-mortar banks. Prepaid cards that work with Zelle include Access 360 Degrees Prepaid Card, PNC Smart Access Prepaid Visa Card and the Chase Liquid Card. That means Zelle does not work with many of the major brand prepaid cards for sending or receiving money. The same way, the following are not working with Zelle. They are 1. Commercial debit. 2. Credit cards. 3. Cards linked to international accounts. And gift cards or prepaid cards that are outside the Zelle network. And so, this is the end of this tutorial video, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button and the bell to receive frequent updates from all uploaded videos in this channel.